welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, well, welcome back. So today I have a mini unboxing, and it is from Rad Soap Co, this company right here. They actually reached out to me and they asked me if I wanted to try out one of their products, and I said yes, and so here we are. But this is not a sponsored video. They just wanted to send me a free product so I could review it, and I'm just going to be unboxing it today though. So let's open it up. Okay, so here we go. Ta-da! So it comes with a card. Ooh, they sent me a lot of little stuff. This is exciting. So they sent me all of this, and so it comes with a card. And in the back, it has all the information of the products that they sent me, so I'm super excited. Meet the Raddest family and the game, Rad Soap Co. And so it looks like they sent me 9 mini products and 1 full-sized product. On the website of Rad Soap Co, it says that all these ingredients are natural ingredients. They use hemp, botanical extractions, and mushrooms. If you guys are interested in trying out any of these products, I will link them in the description box. Okay, so let's see. This is so cute. So here is one soap. So this is the American Beauty Himalayan Mist and Egyptian Rose. Oh my gosh, this smells so good, you guys. Okay, so I can't wait to try this one out. So this is the Rose and Red Clover Infused Soap. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to try this out. The next one is this Nirvana Chaga Mushroom and Ashwagandha. I don't know. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. And it smells really good, you guys. I didn't think mushrooms would smell this good. So this is an antioxidant-rich skin calming soap. So I'm going to be needing this because I'm going to be stressed during school. I'm excited to try this out. And by the way, these products are vegan, pet-friendly, cruelty-free, and yeah, it says right there. Hopefully you guys could see, because I know a lot of you guys are vegans and like to try out cruelty-free products, so maybe you guys will be interested in trying some of these products. Okay, the next soap I got, it is the Rad Limited Reserved Roasted Chestnut Batch number 3. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. So this is what it looks like. And it has a bunch of words on the side.
Sandalwood, beer, wine, clove, sugar, red, love, rose, petal, indigo root, Australian pink clay, chaga, hemp, mom's kitchen, mushrooms, all natural, moisturizing, flour, handmade.
So this soap right here, it is a warm chestnut and brown sugar soap. So I'm super excited to try this one out as well. Let's see, they also sent me the Ugly Sweater Smells Like Christmas. This is so cute, look at that. This soap has the Ugly Sweater packaging and it's so cute. And it smells like Christmas. I know Christmas is over, but I still like smelling like Christmas. So I'm super excited to try this one. So this is a nostalgia of Christmas soap. So super excited to try this out. Okay, the next soap that I got, it looks like Christmas as well, and it is a Ralphie bar. And this is what it looks like. It's so cute. It has a person in a onesie type of thing, dressed as a bunny. It has a Christmas tree in the background. It's so cute. So this is the Berry and Pine Rich Soap, and it smells really good. I don't know, it reminds me of Mexico. Okay, so that's all the soaps that they sent me. Now onto the little mini creams. So let's start off with this one, Natural Foot Therapy. And it's this one right here. So that's what it looks like, and I love sample lotions, so I'm super excited to try this out. So this is a moisturizer for dry, cracked feet. Let me smell it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, you guys. It smells like minty, and it's just like a white cream. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna put feet cream on my hand, just a little bit. It feels refreshing. It feels minty. It's just a clear cream and it smells really good. It reminds me of the chocolate mints. I forgot what they're called, but it smells really good. I'm super excited to try that out. Okay, the next product that I have here, it is the Project Hemp Cream, and this is what it looks like. It's a small little jar as well. So this is the Susan Kerber's cream made for her son. Okay, so let me open it up. I can't smell it. So it has a really subtle scent that I can't really pick up. I don't know. It doesn't really smell like anything. But this is what it looks like. Just a regular cream. I'm going to grab a little bit. I don't know, I feel like it doesn't smell like anything. So the next cream that I got, it is the Natural Hand Therapy, a calendula cream. So this is a moisturizer for dry, cracked hands. So this is what it looks like. Really cute. Smells like Nivea lotion or something. But smells really good. I'm going to get a little bit. Oh yeah, this one feels extra moisturizing or something, I don't know. It feels really good on my skin. It smells like I just got out of the shower or something. Okay, so the last lotion here, it is the RAD Soap Co. Gosh, I can't read this. I can't read what it says. It says for cowboys. Oh, okay, it says for cowboys and superheroes. Cedar and amber. So it's super cute. I think that's a lizard. It's not a lizard, you guys, it's a cowboy. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's super cute. So this one is a triple butter body cream for skin hydration. So I'm super excited to try this out as well. I feel like I've smelled this before. I just can't remember from where, but it smells really good. So it's just a white cream as well. It feels moisturizing. I'm super excited for all of these mini creams. Okay, now the last product. They sent me a full-size mystery lip balm. This is what it looks like. RAD Soap Co. Mystery lip balm. So let's smell it. I love lip balms. I don't want to put it on my lips right now because I already have lipstick. So yeah, it just looks like a regular lip balm. So I'm super excited to try this out on my lips. I love lip balms. I will be using this and I will let you guys know how I like all of these products. That is everything that they sent me. I love how everything was packaged in this little box with a little paper thingy. I can't wait to try out all these beautiful soaps. They're so cute and they smell amazing. So there you go, 5 soaps. I'm super excited for this. So thank you so much to RAD Soap Co. for sending me these products. I'm super excited to try them out, and if you guys are interested in getting any of these products, I will put all of their links in the description box so you guys could go check them out. And yeah, so once I try out all of these products, I will let you guys know how I like them. And anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys!